Hello and welcome to Legria Garage. In this video I will remove the engine completely from the car, and it was really scary situation when I was lifting or hoisting up the engine because of the cracking and pounding and banging noises when you're hoisting the engine up. So it was a scary moment. And also I calculate all the footage that I have taped so far from removing the tailgate and now removing the engine, and it was like 50 hours of footage combined with three different cameras. So on this last video, this engine removing video, it's about 1 hour footage with 3 cameras compressed in 9 minutes. Enjoy. This is my first time when I'm removing the whole engine and the gearbox from the car, so wish me luck.
Good luck.
Let's get it on. Very scary. Maybe just a bit more. This is completely free. Okay. Oh, okay, it was this one. Okay, nothing to worry about there. It's so huge, this engine. That one. I hope you can see it. It's the bigger cooling line. It's the, I think it's silicone hose. Okay, that was it. Scary. Scary things. So the engine is, okay, it's loose, but it's so long. Tilt it more. More foam, please. I should have done this before. If I lift this like so, I can move it back. And I hope it's not falling. No worries there. This is a huge lump of engine. It's quite long, as you can see. It's really long. Smoothly, easily, come on. Ooh. Smooth and small baby steps. Be cool. Be extra careful what you do. It's free. Thank God it was just the camera, not the engine, that fall down. But here it is. We are almost there. Done. Woohoo! I got it I got it, I got it, I got it. So, there you go. The engine is removed completely from the car. It's a bit dirty. It's okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Subscribe, like, and feel free to leave a comment below. And remember that anything is possible and you can have everything you want. Thanks for watching.
You can do everything that you